Hi, today's video is regarding how to replace the ink cartridge of HP 3830 Officejet all-in-one printer. And the first step is to just switch on your printer. Now once you see the screen and it's on, just open the front part of your front door of your printer. So I'll show you that here. Now open the inner door. You will see the cartridges, the section is moving and it's coming in the front. So you put the black on the side which says black. You just slide it in and just push it little words inside and it will set itself, and insert the color cartridge on that section where it says the color cartridge. Now close the inner door and close the outer door, and your printer may print a print alignment page. If that is there, then you can scan that. Thanks for watching.